What is up, ladies and gents? Today we are going to be reviewing the Durston X-Mid 1 Ultralight Backpacking Trekking Pole Tent. So, the material that we have here is actually pretty good. This is going to be your waterproof rain fly that you're going to have. It's really thin, and it still keeps the water out, which is really good for ultralight, and it also goes to show that you don't need a really thick tarp to keep the rain out. This works very well even in harsh conditions. So, now we're going to talk about the bug mesh. The bug mesh is really good because it's not like some bug mesh that has big holes that lets the bugs just fly into your tent. It has really tiny holes, and there's no way that the bugs are getting into your tent. And it's also still very breathable, so it'll be a very comfortable balance between the two. A second thing is that the material is really lightweight. Like, it feels like nothing. It sort of like floats in the air, which means like it's going to be perfect for when it's in your backpack. It's going to feel like nothing. So that's why I really like the material on this tent. Okay, boys, now that I've had time to try setting it up myself, now I'm going to go show you guys how to set it up. So let's go do that, and you'll see how easy it is, because it's actually pretty simple. I was surprised. Well, it's a new day, so we're going to go set it up. Let's get cooking. My favorite part about this tent is the fact that it has no tent pegs, no tent poles whatsoever. That's why it's so light and super small, because you don't have to worry about massive long tent poles in your bag, or you don't have to worry about them poking holes in your bag, because you set it up with just your hiking poles. That's all you need. That and the fabric, nothing else. It's crazy. Another good thing about this tent is the fact that it has a double zipper door entrance and exit. And it's not like some trekking pole tents where the trekking poles are in the way of the door. So these ones are actually out of the way of the door, so you don't need to worry about having trouble getting out or in the dark. Some more great things about this tent is the fact that it actually has lots of headroom, not like some tents that have very limited headroom. And it's also a very storm-worthy tent, so it works very well in harsh conditions like rain, snow, wind, and one of the facts that help with that is the fact that it has a fly-first pitch, protected doorways, non-sag polyester fabric, peak vents, and full coverage fly that extends lower to the ground to block rain splatter and blowing snow. This tent has also been awarded awards from Section Hiker, Backpacking Light, The Trek, Outdoor Gear Lab, and others, so it's a pretty good tent. They also made this tent quite lighter than all the others, which I thought was pretty cool. If you would like more information on how to set up this X-Mid 1, you can go check out the Durston YouTube channel. This tent also has great ventilation with its dual vents. Overall, I'm going to have to give this tent a 5-star review because it's probably one of the best tents I've ever seen. And also, thank you very much to Durston for sponsoring this video, and I hope you all have a great night.